Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 30 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/5/3. The question says prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. Let's take the LHS given in the statement. The LHS is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Here let me try converting the cot into tan. So tan theta upon 1 minus 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta, which is tan theta upon the denominator is tan theta minus 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta times 1 minus tan theta. This tan theta can be taken to the numerator. So tan square theta upon tan theta minus 1 plus 1 upon tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. In the denominator, tan theta minus 1 and 1 minus tan theta are almost same with a small sign difference. Let's retain the first term as it is. And in the second term, instead of 1 minus tan theta, let us rewrite that as minus of tan theta minus 1 times tan theta. So it is tan square theta upon tan theta minus 1 minus 1 upon tan theta times tan theta minus 1. Taking the LCM, the numerator is tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta times tan theta minus 1. So the numerator resembles this identity a cube minus b cube. According to that, it becomes tan theta minus 1 times tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta upon tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Tan theta minus 1 is there in the numerator and denominator. It gets cancelled, leaving behind tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta upon tan theta, which is equal to tan square theta upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus tan theta upon tan theta, which is tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is cot theta plus tan by tan gets cancelled, so it's 1, which is equal to RHS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.